Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So I'm going to do a bunch of quick vids on the Flysky NB4 Plus, just to get you guys up and running and cover all the basics. If you're coming from a different controller, some of the easier features you might be struggling to find, so I'm just going to show you how to do the basics. So I've already done a video showing how to bind up your RC. This time we're using the NB4 Plus and the INR4 GYB receiver. This will work same for any of the receivers, but you've got your car bound up and your steering is going in the opposite direction. So what we're going to do, jump into main menu, then we're going to click our servo reverse, and we're going to set the steering to reverse. And then you've got your steering going in the right direction. It's really easy to do. This will work same for any of your other channels. So if you've got something else connected, say a light switch, and it's on when you want it in the off position, you can just reverse that channel. But yeah, quite easy to do. Just go into servo reverse, and then we've got a steering in the correct direction. So thanks a lot for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.